I will land on your planet and steal your children and destroy your crops. Don't think I am joking. I am from outer space, and you will be my brain food for years. Oh, yes. You are of an intelligent race, so you think, look at these big eyes. They're so beautiful, and you will love them. My head gets bigger as you zoom out. Yes, yes. Lots of knowledge up here. Going back to normal size.